Let's have a look at the question. There are 8 members of a family, P, Q, R, S, T, U, W, and Z. All of them are sitting around a circular table facing the center. They belong to 3 generations. They belong to 3 different generations. And there are 3 married couples among them. 4 of them are male and 4 of them are of opposite gender. There is nothing but remaining 4 are female. And not necessarily in the same order. They like different movies, The Twins, 12, Turbo, Twilight Saga, Typhoon, Twin Dragons, 12 Chase, 20th Century, but not necessarily in the same order. Further, some more information is also given. The son-in-law and the maternal grandson of Z are immediate neighbors. W cannot be an immediate neighbor of her sister-in-law. W likes the movie 12. Q, a spinster, is sitting 2 places to the right of her grandfather T. Neither R nor T likes the movie The 12th Chase. P and his sibling S can't sit together. Typhoon is liked by the brother-in-law of R. There are only 3 persons sitting between the person who liked the twin dragon and her aunt S. R is a married male, cannot be an immediate neighbor of either T or Q. R does not like the movie 20th Century or The Twins. And we have got last one more statement. The 12th Chair is the movie not liked by either S or Z. U and Q are not siblings. T does not like the movie Turbo or The Twins. There is only one person sitting between R and his brother-in-law. Turbo is not liked by the son-in-law of Z. Yes, they have told that there are 8 family members, and out of which 4 are male and 4 are female. So first we need to categorize the male and female. How? Yes, by looking at the hint. That is nothing but they'll be telling, right, grandfather, it means it's a male. So looking into their titles as well as looking into the pronouns, her, his, those things we can say. One is with respect to the title, and other one is looking at the pronouns. We can easily tackle male or female. That's nothing but tabulation of male and female. The next is the family tree. They have told 3 generations, and there are 3 married couple. It means 6 people. The remaining 2 people are, yes, unmarried. And they have given 8 movies, and each and every person likes different set of movies. So we have to make a tabulation for male and female. Next, we have to go out with family tree. Next, we have to go out with a tabulation of movies. And at last, we have to solve the circular arrangement. Yes, of course, we have got a lot of data here. Yes, guys, it's quite interesting one. So please have a look into this. I'll try to reduce the font size and I'll try to solve it, okay? So that we'll get more space to solve. They have told there are 4 males. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 females. This is the first data. The next thing is talking about movie. We have got 8 movie and 8 people like them. So I'm going to take out the names here. That is nothing but the Twins, 12. Next comes Turbo, Twilight Saga, Typhoon. Next we have Twin Dragons. We have got 12 Chairs. Next, 20th Century. Okay. Now at first we will try to solve this male-female tabulation, the movie tabulation, and a family tree. Let's start with the first statement, guys. So please focus. The son-in-law and maternal grandson of Z are immediate neighbors. Son-in-law is nothing but daughter's husband. Maternal grandson. Grandson is nothing but daughter's son or son's son. But maternal is related to the lady. So maternal grandson says daughter's son. So they have told the son-in-law and maternal grandson of Z are immediate neighbors. We will not look into the seating arrangement. First, we'll look into the relation here. It means that Z has a son-in-law as well as Z has a maternal grandson. So in order to draw a family tree over here, I'll take out some standard notations. That is nothing but for female, I'll represent female as a circle and I'll represent male as a box. And if it is going to be a couple, which is nothing but male and a female, and I'll connect them with a double arrow mark. So these are the notations we'll be following while taking out this blood relation problem. They have told Z is a person. We don't know Z is a male or female. We don't know. But Z has a son-in-law. It means that Z has a daughter, circle, and that daughter has a husband. Son-in-law of Z. Next, and a maternal grandson. Z already has a daughter and maternal grandson. It is nothing but that daughter has one son. Maternal grandson. Is it done with the first statement? We don't have any information whether who is male and who is female. We don't know anything. Yes. W, next statement. W cannot be immediate neighbor of her sister-in-law. This her says that W is a lady. So W is a lady here. And what does it say? It says that W has a sister-in-law. Sister-in-law has two possibilities. Either it can be husband's sister or it can be brother's wife is also a sister-in-law. Next, W likes the movie 12. In this 12 section, I'll write W. W likes the movie 12. Next, Q, a spinster. Spinster is nothing but an unmarried lady. So we got to know that Q is a lady then. Q, a spinster, is sitting two places to the right of her grandfather. Look here. Again, one more information that it is a lady. Her grandfather. Grandfather, who is that grandfather? T, which means that T is a male. T is going to be a grandfather who is staying in the first generation. Then I can say T is a male and Z is the wife of T, right? Z is the wife of T. I'll get to know that Z is a female again because they are in the grand generation and they're told there are only 3 generations. Now, if this is the case, Q should be there in the 3rd generation. I don't know where it is. I don't know whether Q is the daughter of T and Z or it can be the daughter of son of T and Z. I don't know where it is, but I'm just writing it in the 3rd generation. Wherever you want. If it is their kid, just connect it here. If it is some other kid, just connect it over here. I'm just writing it as it is. Next. Neither R nor T likes the movie 12 Chair. This is a 12 Chair. Neither R likes it nor T likes it. This cross mark says they doesn't like it. Okay. I'm going to write it there. Next. P and his sibling S can't sit together. Now this is a beautiful point here. P is a male because they have told his sibling, his. P and his sibling. It means P is a male and P has one brother or sister. P has one sibling and P is a male. So if you're going to look into this, P has a possibility of staying in the 2nd generation P and S, or it can stay in the 3rd generation P and S. Now what they have told that there are 3 married couple. One married couple is done, another married couple is done, and there should be some married couple over here. 3rd generation, there are unmarried people. Right? Now, if it is going to be 3rd generation, this P and S is in 3rd generation, then it will be 3 people. So 3 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2, it will not be 8, it will become 9. So P and S will not be in this generation, which says that P is over here and P has one sibling, S. But we don't know whether that is male or female. So if you're going to look into this, yes, if this is the daughter, of course, there should be someone who is a brother. So if this is the brother, S can be sister over here, which is going to be fixed in this case. I can take out P and S in the 2nd generation. Now look at this. W has a sister-in-law. Now W has a sister-in-law in the sense brother's wife. It means S, W is not this person. Yes. The second thing, brother's wife is not possible. Now husband, sister. Yes, it is possible. W is the wife of P. It is going to be this. Husband, sister. Yes, yes. W has a sister-in-law who is nothing but S. Is it done? Next, Typhoon is liked by the brother-in-law of R. So Typhoon is liked by the brother-in-law of R. So R has a brother-in-law. Now, what is the meaning of this brother-in-law? It is nothing but, please understand, brother-in-law in the sense we don't know whether R is male or female. So based on that, we have got more possibility. So I'll just write it as it is, R as brother-in-law. Okay, the next possibility. There are only three persons sitting between the person who like Twin Dragon and her aunt S. Twin Dragon and her aunt S. Now S is a lady, which is again confirmed, right? Her aunt S. So S is here, W is done, P is done. Okay. Now look here, there is one person who calls S as aunt. What is the possibility? It means that S has one sister, or and that sister has a daughter, or S has one brother and that brother has daughter. Right? Can you see? That is nothing but the meaning of aunt. A person can be called aunt if that person's brother has a daughter or sister has a daughter. But looking at this, we have got a brother and that brother's daughter can be Q. Yes. Who is that person who likes Twin Dragon then? The person who likes Twin Dragon is none other than this Q. So Twin Dragon is going to be Q. Next, are a married male? Yes, we have got only one position for married male. So R is it. So R is a married male. If R is this, then I can say U is this person who is left out. So U is over here. R is a married male and R has brother-in-law. What is it? Typhoon is liked by the brother-in-law. Brother-in-law in the sense wife's brother. So it is nothing but P. So I can take this as P. Typhoon is liked by the brother-in-law. The Typhoon is liked by P. So we are done with the blood relation problem and we are done with male-female. We have not yet finished the complete question, but still we have already solved it. Right? Next, we'll try focusing on movies here. R does not like the movie 20th century or the twins. R does not like movie 20th century or the twins. 20th century, no. Twins, no. The 12th chair, the movie is not liked by either S or Z. 12 chairs is not liked by S, not even by Z. Next, U and Q are not siblings. Yes, that is again a confirmation. U and Q are not siblings. They are cousins. Yes, it is satisfying here. T does not like the movie Turbo or the twins. So not like the movie Turbo, the twins, not even Turbo. He does not like movie Turbo or twins. There is only one person sitting between R and his brother-in-law. R and his brother-in-law is nothing but P. That is about the sitting position, so I'll ignore. Turbo is not liked by the son-in-law of Z. Son-in-law of Z is nothing but R. R doesn't like Turbo. So this is the arrangement of movie. So we'll try to tackle it. So now look here, we have got more negations for R. R does not like this. Here W likes. R does not like this. Here P likes. Q likes. R does not like this. R does not like this. There is only one position for R, that is nothing but Twilight Saga. R is done. Next, we'll move to T. T does not like this. T does not like this. And T does not like this. There is only one position for T, that is nothing but 20th century. 20th century. Done. Next, S and Z doesn't like it. But how many people are left out? They're left out with S, Z, and U. If S and Z doesn't like this, then I can directly say U likes this movie. U is also done. Now we have got two positions and we have got two people. So I can say that twins is liked by S or Z, or Turbo is liked by Z or S. If S likes twins, then Turbo is being liked by Z. If Z likes twins, then Turbo is being liked by S. So we are done with the movie arrangements also. Now I'm going to take out a circular arrangement. Only focus on the seating arrangement here. So I'm going to take out a circle and they have told facing the center. So I'll take out the arrow mark here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, we've got 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is a circular arrangement here. And here first In a circular arrangement, we need to always check for the fixed positions. Just focus on the arrangements. Others just ignore. Okay, other points just ignore. Son-in-law are immediate neighbors. Yes, son-in-law and maternal grandson of Z are immediate neighbors. What is the meaning of it? Son-in-law of Z is R, maternal grandson is U. So R and U are immediate neighbors. So R and U are together. So if it is together, I'll just separate it by comma. If they're not together, I'll give it as X mark in between. Okay. So we are done with this. I've taken the statement. Next, W cannot be immediate neighbor of her sister-in-law. Sister-in-law is S. It means that W and S cannot sit together. Cross mark says they cannot sit. Q is a spinster, is sitting two places to the right of her grandfather. Two places to the right of her grandfather. So if this is T, Q is going to sit right of grandfather, second place. So it means after leaving one place. Next, we have taken this statement also. Is inputting in this, yes, if we have got any other connection for T and Q, we would have solved in this, but still we will check for some strong statements. Okay. Next, P and his siblings S can't sit together. It means P and S also can't sit together. Next, there are only 3 persons between the person who liked Twin Dragon and her aunt. The person who liked Twin Dragon is Q, her aunt is S. Between Q and S, there are 3 people. Yes, this is a very beautiful information. Very beautiful information. If you're going to take this as S, this will be Q, because in between we have got 3 people. And this is going to be fixed, because if you're going to look into the clockwise or into anti-clockwise, it will be only 3 people. So this is the fixed position. Done. If this is going to be S, W is not the neighbor of S. So this cannot be W. This cannot be W. We have applied this. P is not the neighbor of S. So this cannot be P, as well as this cannot be P. So this is also applied. Right? Next, Q is sitting 2 places to the right of her grandfather T. Right of her grandfather. So in order to be right, so T should be somewhere over here. If this is T, Q will be second to the right. Yes, this is the right position. Q will be at the second to the right. So we are done with this. So we have got S, Q, and T. Done. Now let's continue. We have got R and U. R and U are the neighbors. Please look here. R and U are the neighbors. It means R and U cannot be in the lower section. R and U should be upper, somewhere over here. R and U should be somewhere over here. Done. Okay. Next, I don't know which place it is, but one among 3 here. Next, they are told that R is a married male, cannot be an immediate neighbor of either T or Q. R cannot be a neighbor of T. This is the neighbor position of T. This and this. These are the 2 positions, neighboring position of T, and not even with respect to Q. So Q position says one is this one and this is the other one. R cannot be a neighbor of T as well as Q. So if this is not R possibility, then R should be either this or this. There is only one person sitting between R and his brother-in-law. Only one person sitting between R and his brother-in-law. R and his brother-in-law is nothing but P. There is one person between R and P. This is the arrangement. So I got to know that R can be this one or R can be this one. Please understand. R can be this or this. We got to know that because no other position has R. Okay. If R is this, please understand. If R is going to be this, they have told after leaving one place, P should be there. Leave one place, here it cannot be P. Leave one place, here it cannot be P. It means R is not possible in this case. R should be this one. If R is this one, this should be U because of applying this. And they have told leaving one place, P should be there. So if this is R, leaving one place, this can be P, but this says P is not possible. So leaving one place, this should be P. So we are done with P also. Here we are left out with only 2 points here. That is nothing but W and Z. Here it cannot be W. So this should be Z and this will be W. Yeah. So we are done with male-female setup. We are done with this one, that's a blood relation. We are done with the other one, that is nothing but movie tabulation. And we are also done with the circular arrangement. It's a complete big package of data arrangement problem. Let's have a look into the questions now. Who is the wife of T? Wife of T is nothing but Z. The answer for this question is Z. Next, who is the daughter-in-law of Z? Daughter-in-law, a son's wife, which is nothing but W. Daughter-in-law is W. Who likes the movie Twin Dragons? Twin Dragons is being liked by Q. Look here, questions has been asked in each and every section. Okay, these are from the blood relation. This is from the movie. The Twin Dragon is liked by Q. Who is sitting third to the right of P? Third to the right of P. If this is P, the right side will be this one. So 1, 2, 3, that is nothing but S. Third to the right of P is going to be S. This is the final answer for the question. Thanks for watching, and for more updates on similar videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.